I'd say that every day is a new challenge, and every challenge is a learning opportunity. I'll tell you what I don't do. I don't spend my days going on coffee or donut runs, and I don't spend my days making copies or scanning documents to other people. Instead, I gotta work on meaningful and exciting projects that have a big impact on my site.
Honeywell has operations in a diverse group of industries, and it's been a very enlightening experience working here this summer.
Honeywell is a process-driven, results-oriented and fast-paced company. The intern projects are really meaningful. They offer a lot of learning opportunity and are used by the company going forward.
Really exciting because I've been involved with the business as a whole from a broad perspective. I've seen how the operation runs on the plant floor, how management here at the site runs day-to-day operations. I've been involved with union meetings and strategy planning meetings, so I've been given exposure to a broad scope of how the business works.
At first, it was a little intimidating entering corporate America and being expected to work rigorously on a professional level. But after a few weeks here, I really started to get in the groove and I felt like I was part of the team. I didn't feel like I was just the intern. As a Honeywell intern, you aren't just running errands for your boss or colleagues every day. You aren't just shadowing them either, but you're working with them directly in the field to achieve real-time results.
To be an intern at Honeywell, it's very enjoyable. You get tons of real-life experience.
And my experience here so far has been fantastic, to say the least. I actually am the only intern here in Sarasota, so it's a little lonely at first, but it's also given me the opportunity to have FaceTime with some of the key players in this department. So I have nothing but good things to say about this internship experience, and I would suggest it to everyone to apply and give it a try.
The internship has been awesome. It's been crazy hearing people talk about millions of dollars like it's no big deal, but it definitely heightens the sense of responsibility. At work, everyone around is extremely knowledgeable and willing to help with any problems.
One project that I worked on this summer was analyzing the quality of performance and development summaries in order to ensure that employees are getting a clear message from their managers in terms of their current performance and their development opportunities for career growth. I enjoyed working on this project because it allowed me to create a framework and process to analyze the information from management.
One of the projects that I've been able to work on here at the South Bend site in Honeywell has been creating training plans and processes. So it's been my job to come in and assess the current situation, how things are running right now, find out what's working well, what's not working so well, and then create action plans to close those gaps.
A few of the projects that I'm working on, the first would be the Intern project, which is wireless data transmission. I'm working with 2 other interns in Phoenix, and the current process for data transmission from the engine pod to the cabin for vibration analysis involves lots of wiring. So there's high cost, risk, and time associated with this. So it brought about the need for a wireless system.
One of my main projects this summer was to work with our internal communications team and outside agency partners to create a Facebook page for Honeywell Aerospace. I helped lead the project from start to finish, and it was very cool to see a finished product live in action on the internet. I was also working on a competitive analysis in the area of social media to see what our main competitors are doing with social media. I would look at their Facebook pages, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Plus accounts, all kinds of social channels, and use that information to help make recommendations to Honeywell about how we can improve our overall social media presence.
One of my individual projects for the summer is to work on the optimal social media strategy for the HRS organization. We want to engage the HRG population with the business critical projects such as BI tool transition and the GPS Go Live. I was able to conceptualize and design the framework and drive the project in an autonomous manner.
My project is to help prototype and design a USB to ARINC 429 interface for a portable data loader, which is used to upload software onto avionics computers in airplanes.
I would choose rewarding. Honeywell treats their interns like first class. From the leadership of the internship program scheduling multiple Honeywell site tours, having the lecture series, to the people I work with on an everyday basis. They provide enough guidance to get me started on a project, yet still allow me to develop my own ideas and my own solutions.
If I had to pick one word to describe my internship at Honeywell, I'd have to pick encouraging. Just all the different possibilities that Honeywell has to offer, they're just endless.
One word that I would use to describe my experience this summer would be eye-opening, because I've learned a vast amount about the business and the different functional areas within HR through both my projects and one-on-one interviews with the Aero HR team.
One word I would use to describe this internship experience would be inspirational. At Honeywell, people don't succeed just by meeting expectations, but they really achieve their superior results by going above and beyond and really exceeding expectations. The strong and dedicated work ethic exhibited by all Honeywell employees really inspires me to put my best foot forward each day, to challenge myself to ask the right questions and to be as creative as possible with every assignment.
One word would be rewarding. Not only intellectually, because the work is challenging and interesting, but because you're excited to go to work every day.